open. Oh my god.
Where is this bloke? He's meant to be here 15 minutes ago. Fuck.
Oh, perfect. Anyway, my quads.
Your quad. Work on your quad. Yeah. All right.
No joke, Aaron. I just stacked it on the table. Perfect position.
Here you go, mate.
Thank you.
Have a nice bloody relaxed cocoa while we work on your quads.
Yes, please. I was pulling up on what was the script? Yeah, no, it's good. Quads are cooked.
Yeah, you've been roller skating?
No, I haven't actually.
That's why you're sore. Not conditioned.
Not conditioned for this stuff. Actually, I've been doing a bit of gymnastics, bit of breaking floor where you have to run, jump really hard to do a flip, and I think I've got jump in the knee.
Yeah, boy.
So I think my quads are healing quite a bit on my knee.
So you saw in the
I'm sore as heck
as well.
Yeah.
Just under here.
Yeah.
So we can
So I don't think pressing there is actually gonna.
do much.
Nah.
We're gonna explore it.
Sure, but
So we can. Yeah. We caught you out.
got him.
You didn't want to be touched there, did you? That was the thing. So,
But Jarek said he had similar with his basketball, and
Yeah.
he said getting the quads done were pretty good.
Yeah. All
So
right.
I just.
Sit back and you can sit up while you have your nice cocoa. And
Cool.
let's go to work. Let's show you how we heal, get your body to heal this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So, you have bloody hairy legs, like
That's why I've never had it treated, because it's too much hair.
too much hair. Let's see what we do. Might use a little bit extra wax
Yeah.
on you.
Yep.
So we can
Matthew.
not hurt you, not pull the hairs out.
Yep.
So we did wax your legs.
That would have been a good time to get this done. Yep.
Yeah.
Never again.
It hurt a lot.
It hurt when it was growing, and then it was not the same length as the other side. Felt like a girl. Not good.
No, you didn't like that?
It was good to see my muscles though.
Didn't know what was hidden under there.
Yeah, I honestly, surprised. It seemed like my calves and my quad, the definition. It's nice, but I'd rather hair. Yeah.
You're a man.
Yeah.
Man's man, aren't you?
Man's
man.
Unfortunately. That seems to be the case. Nah. Love my women. Anyway.
It's funny because it's true.
Yep.
Anyway, so Matty, young Matthew, what have you been up to, mate? You've been developing a course.
Oh,
Are you a bit of your
hashtag ad. Let's go.
Let's talk to us about what you've been up to, or your little side hustle.
Yes, my side hustle. I've been making a pull-up course, trying to get really good pull-ups, not just the chin over the bar, where you see people just surviving, getting their chin over. Like, these pull-ups are proper chest to bar and explosive, making you really strong and not just your classic person who's, like I said, surviving each pull-up. So I've been doing my ninja and calisthenics bodyweight training for 6 years now, and I thought it'd be nice to make it into video form, because I always have people asking me about how I get my chin ups and pull ups so high, how muscle ups are so easy, and
Explosivity. Even I was with you a couple of days ago. We did some indoor bouldering. So just that ability to explode with your arms, to propel your whole body up the wall.
Yeah, it helps a lot.
Yeah, so it's really impressive. So, and you're actually working with me a bit, trying to improve me. Tell me, what's your honest opinion of the CrossFit pull-up?
Yes, what you do mostly. Yeah, that's one. I reckon it's controversial, but it does different things. I reckon it's good to do a mixture of both, because CrossFit and ninja are kind of similar, I feel, because you've got to learn to use your whole body to generate power. But the good CrossFit gyms as well will actually make you do proper strict pull-ups first before you learn the kip. So yeah, if I do a muscle up, I usually use a bit of knees to kind of build the momentum. When you're doing ninja, use your knees and your core to initiate this power drive. And that's why I've been doing a lot of my ninja career. But then if I also do it strict, I can do it strict as well. I can do powerful strict ones as well. So I reckon it's good to do both. Just make it full body, but make sure if you're doing the completely straight arms, straight legs only, then make sure your core's on at least. But yeah, if you're always just doing the kipping thing that you do, you just don't improve, you don't get stronger. If you're always trying to get more reps are bullshit. You want to just make sure you get clean, good, proper pull-ups. Then you'll get stronger. It'll translate well to that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it'll be cool to see your before and after.
Yeah. Grip strength, because I have got 50 pull-ups before, not for a long time, but when I was in that kind of shape, your grip strength is just really good. You know, you can just sort of rest and wait for the battery to charge back up again. And
they're more powerful. Yeah, for sure.
But, I'm just getting a few tips off Matty already, and it's got to work on things. And I've been working with Leo, our cameraman, as well. We worked on a lot of things last year, grip strength and trying to stay on the bar, and a lot of that mind battle that you go through. It's not just a physical battle, is it? It's kind of like the willpower to kind of stick with things and stay on the bar if you're doing a dead hang.
Yeah, dead hangs suck. I think, Jarek, I was talking to Jarek about it, and I think he only got to like 40 seconds, and he's light, he should be able to do more. Yeah. But he said he just jumped off because it just hurt, and that's it. Like there is pain, but you learn to push through that.
Yeah. Keep hanging on.
Yeah, keep hanging. It sucks. And if you jump off and you have that regret where it's like, I could have held longer. It's like, yeah, of course you could have. Just got to push through the pain, whether it's in your hands or your forearms, whatever.
Yeah.
Just pump. It's just lactic acid. It's not like bad pain. Yeah.
I'm happy when I jump off.
Yeah.
I don't have regret.
Jeez. That sounds like you've got problems.
After 5 minutes, I could have gone a few extra seconds or something, but
yeah, that's what she said.
5 minutes, it's good. Yeah. Depends what context it's in, True. Oof. Like I've got written on my above my pull-up bar, have a fucking kip, mate.
Yep, that's right.
Bit of commie and have a fucking dip on the.
Have a dip, mate.
On the dip bar. So I just want to push in here just a little bit, man.
Right.
Can I go around your knee just a little bit, just see what happens? Like, I'll be nice. I'll do, like, there's a really nice move. People don't know this move with the knees. So you can kind of get with your fingertips and go round there like that. And you kind of just capture a lot of the fascia, but also the little ligaments and the tendons that are joining in. And that fascial stretch and pressure that you're putting onto them, it just feels nice, I reckon. So I'll do that first, and I'll get into your hamstrings a little bit as well.
Solid.
Feel good?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like much. I feel like it's all...
Not doing anything? Dance with your sister?
Nothing in it.
Nothing in it?
Yeah.
Dance with your mum?
Straight away. Man can't help himself.
Bit of a personal joke there.
People are going to think there's some behind the scenes going on. Nah. Ninja just likes talking about everyone's mums.
So you started it.
Everyone hide your mums.
Yeah.
Hide your daughters.
Yeah. Bit of an AC/DC song there. Lock up your daughters, lock up your wife.
Classic.
Yeah. TNT, Dynamite. That could be your song. You're a bit of Dynamite.
That could be the intro to this video.
Yeah.
The roller skates.
TNT. Dynamite. You're an explosive man. All aspects, I reckon.
I've lost all inhibition to talk now.
So you're explosive.
Yeah, got my power.
Yeah, he's just all power, explosive power. And this is making his eyes water.
Ugh.